Presenting the all-new JAC Shuailing G Series, a true powerhouse in the world of heavy-duty trucks. Designed for strength, durability, and performance, this dumper truck is built to handle the toughest jobs with ease. From the front, its bold grille and signature JAC logo command attention. On the sides, the streamlined body and reinforced dumper bed reflect both style and strength. The rear view showcases a high-capacity dumper, ready for any construction or transport challenge. Step inside and you're greeted with a spacious, modern cabin, premium seats, advanced dashboard, and user-friendly controls, giving drivers both comfort and confidence. Whether it's on the road or at a construction site, the JAC Shuailing G Series delivers unmatched power, efficiency, and reliability. This is more than just a truck. It's your ultimate partner in progress. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, and comment below. And make sure to subscribe for more amazing truck reviews. *.